Mastering household chores. How to clean the bathroom like a pro. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that you might encounter in daily conversations or in instructions if you're living in an English-speaking country. We're going to learn how to clean the bathroom. This phrase might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning and essential steps. So, let's break it down together. When we say, clean the bathroom, we're talking about a series of tasks aimed at making the bathroom neat, tidy, and hygienic. The bathroom refers to a room in a home containing a bathtub or shower, a sink, and usually a toilet. Cleaning it involves several steps to ensure it's not just visually appealing but also free from germs and bacteria. Before you start cleaning, you need to have the right tools and cleaning products. Here's a basic list. Gloves to protect your hands, scrub brush or sponge for surfaces, toilet brush for the toilet bowl, cleaning solutions for different surfaces, glass cleaner, disinfectant, etc. Mop and bucket for floors, microfiber cloths for drying and polishing. 1. Declutter the space. Remove any items that don't belong in the bathroom or are in the way. 2. Dust and sweep. Start by dusting surfaces, including light fixtures and vents. Then sweep the floor to remove hair and debris. 3. Clean the toilet. Use a toilet brush and cleaner to scrub the bowl, and don't forget to disinfect the seat and handle. 4. Scrub the bathtub and shower. Apply a suitable cleaner and use a scrub brush to remove soap scum and grime. 5. Wipe down surfaces. Clean the sink, countertops, and mirrors with appropriate cleaners. 6. Mop the floor. Finally, mop the floor, starting from the farthest corner and working your way towards the door. Daily maintenance. Wipe down surfaces and rinse the shower after each use to prevent buildup. Weekly deep clean. Schedule a time each week to perform a thorough cleaning. Use ventilation. Keep the bathroom ventilated to prevent mold and mildew. Organize your supplies. Keep cleaning products organized and easily accessible. Congratulations! You've just learned how to clean the bathroom in English. This task is not only essential for keeping your living space pleasant and hygienic but also great vocabulary practice. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey and in your daily life. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from using these new phrases and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.